Alright, let's dive into Bangkok, the city that parties harder than it sleeps. This guide is your backstage pass to the wild nights, rooftop views, budget hacks, and everything you need to own December 2025 in style. Why Bangkok in December? December in Bangkok? It's magic. The heat eases up, the city lights up with festive vibes, and the nightlife hits a whole new level. Whether you're chasing countdown parties or just want to vibe with the locals, this is the month to be here. Nightlife zones. Bangkok's got a nightlife buffet. Khao San Road is backpacker chaos. Think rum buckets and fire shows. Sukhumvit Soi 11? That's your rooftop cocktail and DJ lounge scene. RCA? Full-blown club energy with bass that rattles your bones. Pick your poison, or try them all. Flights to Bangkok. Getting here's a breeze. Full-service airlines like Thai Airways and Singapore Airlines keep it comfy, while budget champs like AirAsia and Vietjet get you here cheap. Just book early, December flights vanish fast. Mid-budget hotels near city center. Want comfort without blowing your budget? I've got you. Stay central with spots like Ibis Styles Khao San, Holiday in Siam, ASAI Chinatown, Bangkok City Hotel, or the Quarter Ari. Each one's got its own vibe, rooftop pools, BTS access, or street food right outside. Budget breakdown 5 days. Let's talk money. A solid 5-day trip in December lands around 20 to 21,000 baht per person. Hotels take the biggest bite, followed by food, nightlife, and transport. Plan smart and you'll party hard without regrets. Visa and miscellaneous. Visa on arrival? Usually 2,000 baht, but check your country's rules. Grab a tourist SIM for around 300. Treat yourself to a Thai massage starting at 200, and save a little for souvenirs and street finds. Adult entertainment and after hours. Ready for the wild side? Nana Plaza is neon madness stacked 3 floors high. Soi Cowboy's got themed bars and carnival vibes. And when the clubs shut down, Sukhumvit Soi 11, RCA, and Khao San keep the after hours alive. Just pace yourself, Bangkok doesn't do quiet nights. Final tips. Quick heads up, BTS and MRT close around midnight, so plan your ride back. Respect the local vibe, stay sharp with your spending, and most of all, enjoy the chaos. Bangkok rewards the curious and the bold. Suggested 5-day itinerary. Here's your game plan. Day 1, settle in and hit Khao San. Day 2, temples by day, rooftops by night. Day 3, shop hard and dance harder at RCA. Day 4, take a side trip and swing by Soi Cowboy. Day 5, chill, shop, and fly home with stories you won't tell your parents. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more travel guides.